Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX, and today, we will be reviewing one of my oldest units, the Lehui MP9. This unit is, as usual, from our number one budol, Hydroblasters MNL. And this is, I think, 2 years old already. This is one of my favorite units because it's really portable. It's light. And since I like this so much, I got another one. So, when I'm playing, especially in my favorite playing place, Tastra in Tansa, Cavite, I can do akimbo mode. And I already designed a battle mag for this one. And which enables me to have not infinite bullets, but or dual mag. I still have to finish that one. Enables me to have the very limit of this one, the gel capacity. Anywho, let's get into it. First, the quality is this one. It's an all nylon construction, as in good nylon. Nylon. And it has lots of threads. I mean, literally a lot. Caliber 9.9, Swiss something, Swiss made, serial number, MP9, what else? Even on the fake sides, there are trades, which is nice, top accurate aiming. And hidden here is where Lehui copied it. It says KSC. KSC. Turn on the lights. KSC. Is it better with lights? I think it's too bright. Let's try this, only for this video. It's too bright. Features. It has, where's the selector? Safe, semi, and full auto, which is very nice. It has, as far as I remember, it has a MOSFET that enables the selector. Or is it mechanical? I do not remember. It's very nice. And if you press this button, you can see the internals. It has some metal parts, and the outer barrel is also metal. And although in other countries, I can see there are upgrade parts for this one, which is not that common here in the Philippines, so that's a disadvantage. Although through my friend, I already got a replacement piston for this one, because if ever I break it, I have already one on stock for me. Battery space. Oh wait, it also have a manual prime here, so that's nice. It doesn't have a moving blowback, but it's fine. It's not needed. It does have it doesn't have a thread. It's only like this. Although I already created a thread adapter, hop up, and even what do you call this one? Uh, Enclosure for my, what are you? Tracer. Now it's a hop. Yes, it's a hop up. See, hop up and enclosure tracer, and looks like suppressor. So double purpose. Also out of the box, it comes with a laser, which you can zero, although very limited using this movement design. And where's the other one? I think this is for only up and down. Yes, up and down. And it's also removable. You can using this one. There's a small adjustment lever here. This is a red and green working red dot sight that has adjustment screws here and here. So very nice considering that this is already very cheap. It's a nice addition to the package. It has also a folding stock that has a actual lock here. So if you lock it, very portable. That's why I like it. Battery space, that is one of its disadvantage. It uses a small battery, something like this, which limits its upgradability and battery life because it doesn't have much, very limited. I have yet to finish the extended battery holder of this one, so you can basically fit a longer battery. It's still in my ultra long list of things to do, so sorry about that. Weight, barely a kilo. It's very light. That's why you can run regarding this one. Run and gun. I actually played already on Tasra using Tasra game site using these two. It's very fun because you can one shoots and one does covering fire. They say it's unfair, and since it has one of its disadvantages before is the very limited magazine capacity. It's only, what is it? It is smaller than the ARP9. So, few short bursts and it's gone. Luckily, I had that time before. I was able to design this one. It's designed by JomarX. MP9. Battle mag. So, lots of gels. So it negates its disadvantages because extra mags on this one is very hard to find. So, PB capacity, I said earlier, very limited. Weight, very light. Upgrades, there's no upgrades. Just change the battery to a bigger 7.4 volt. Do not use 11 point on this one. You will break the internal parts. Although, parts for this one is available from China. Not yet available locally. Not yet available on Lazada here in the Philippines. So, that's a disadvantage. FPS! Ooh. Sub 200? It's below 200. One of these disadvantages. It has a very short barrel. Slightly shorter than the ARP9. So, you have limited FPS on this one. But then again, this is an SMG. FPS is not important. As long as you have a hop up, it will go the distance. You can easily reach my 10-meter range. I'll do a video later. You can see it from my shorts. Price, This is very cheap when it was available. Below 2,000? No, 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 not below 2,000. Below 3,000. I don't know if it's still available in the market because they always wanted upgradable ones. So, uh, but this is a Lehui. So, you get what you pay for. And I love this. If I have another two hands, I'll get another two. Because this is so fun. Light, lots of ammo, good battery space, so it's good. Especially, it looks so cool. Huh? Anywho, if you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!